How to fix the volume is too low on your HP laptop. So if your volume has got quieter or it's hard to hear your laptop speakers, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is come down to the bottom right hand side of the taskbar. You can then right click on the volume icon and press sound settings. Now next to output, make sure you have your laptop speakers selected like this, and obviously make sure the volume is turned up to maximum. You'll then need to scroll down the page and click on volume mixer. Now scroll down to your list of applications and also make sure the volume is turned up in that specific app. So if your volume is quiet in Google Chrome, for example, you'll need to make sure the volume slider is turned up for that app. Now once you've done this, come back over to the previous settings page. This time scroll down again, and this time click on more sound settings. Now make sure you're in the playback tab and go and locate your speakers. You'll then need to right click on them and press properties. Click on levels and make sure this is turned up. You'll also need to click on advanced and make sure enable audio enhancements is turned off like this, and then go and press apply and OK. Now if it's still too quiet, there is one final solution. So open up your start menu, search for device manager and click on this window here. You'll then need to click on the drop down arrow next to sound, video and game controllers, and you should be able to see your audio device. So mine's the Realtek Audio one here, and we're just going to right click on this and press update driver. Now select browse my computer for drivers, press let me pick from a list of available drivers, go and select the high definition audio device. You can then go and press next to install this driver. Now once you've done this, you may need to go and restart your computer, and the volume should now be much louder on your HP laptop.